Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the error when loading add-ins in Microsoft Word and other Office tools. We'll guide you through a quick account reset process to get your extensions and tools working perfectly again. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. To resolve this issue, the first thing you need to do is manage your account session within the application. Navigate to your account profile in Microsoft Word and sign out of your Microsoft account completely. After you have successfully signed out, go ahead and sign back in using your account credentials. This simple step often refreshes the permissions needed for your add-ins to communicate with Microsoft's servers. Once you are signed back in, you need to fully close Microsoft Word to ensure the session update is registered by the system. Relaunch the application and navigate to the Insert tab to try loading your add-ins once more. You should see that your tools now load successfully and are ready for use without any further errors. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.